Dzień dobry, good afternoon. Just another day in Poznan, Poland. So today I am in the most busiest center in the Święty Marcin Street. So today I would like to take you to explore Zamek next to the Święty Marcin, which is Zamek Cesarki, and also we will find something to eat. So yeah, let's explore. Right, so we are in Ulica Święty Marcin, which is Święty Marcin Street, and I think this one is the busiest street so far, you know, after the central business district. And if you remember that over there is the Baltic, and that is a Mercure, and in front of me that is the Adam Mickiewicz Park. I think that at the first day when I come here, I make a video here, and today I will take you to explore this Zamek. Nowadays I really like to explore the historical building and learn a lot about history, but in front of me over there is actually there are so many construction on progress. I think that by the time in summertime will be already finished, and here is I think the best place to watch the traffic situation, so you can see the cars, you can see the you know, like trams. So yeah, first of all let's go there. And right in front of me is the Philharmonia Poznańska, which is a theater music, classical music. And I think that building in front of me is the music, academic music, and I heard then whenever I already passed that place, I saw there are lots of Asian there learning about the music. So yeah, this is actually my another daily video from Poznan, Poland. And yeah, look at the tram. Today the weather is gray, and it is about 3 degrees. So as you see that people are already wearing their winter suit and winter jacket. So yeah, this is a situation, big city life. So I think that there are lots of international students also studying there in Adam Mickiewicz University. So yeah, let's go. So it's very cold, and you know, it's really freezing cold, and this is the first time I see, you know, this is not rain, but basically this is already snowing. The ice, small ice already coming. So yeah, let's get inside quickly, it's very cold. Right, so here Way Sechia means like entrance. Right, so because the museum is actually open at 12 and I'm here at 11:30, so obviously I cannot enter, wait for half hour. And look at in front of me, so there are the kids, kindergarten kids also coming here. I go to second floor, basically that's the bookstore and also a coffee shop. I'm here, want to have a coffee. Unfortunately it is closed. Oh, but look at the architecture building like this one. It's amazing. Wow. Wow. Okay, let's find different coffee shop then. Right, so we were there and now I'm looking for the coffee shop. Well, just like many things happening here, basically there are so many road construction. And yeah, I think that we will go there to find a coffee shop while waiting for 12. So now I would like to have a coffee. Look, Piękarnia Cukiernia, Piękarnia coffee shop. Let's go there. So I come to this Piękarnia Podstrecha. Oh, the same brand as what I was in the Rynek Cieszycki. Look, there are so many pastries, cake. Looks so I choose that. So good. So it's coffee o'clock, hot cappuccino, and the strawberry yummy cake. It cost me around 17 zloty. Bardzo polecam. with the view of this. So I just finished my coffee and it's already 12:30 as you see that on the clock. Now it's time to go to the museum and to go to the, what is it called, Zamek Sisarti. And yeah, look at that group of students, and there in front is Adam Mickiewicz University as well. So this one is really like central of the Poznan. Let's join the group of students. I feel like students again. Let's go. My ticket, it cost me around 7 zloty, and look at this. Wow, there are so many students are here basically. So let's go to the second floor. So basically this one that is inside the museum like this. So many history of the castle basically from 1910 until 1999, right, like this. And look at this one. Wow. And here is the explanation. Wow. Let's go. Let's go there. One thing that I like about the museum is that this one is also with the braille, and it's all like for inclusive people, everybody can enjoy the museum. Next is the Traveltine Hall. Let's see. And this one is the mahogany room, so you can see this one from the top, right? And this is the room. So this is basically the wings, like this. There is not much anything to display, basically only the empty room. So basically the most interesting part is only this one, like this. This is the fragment. This one. This one. So they give you the guidance book like this. This is the map and the explanation. But if you want to have the audio visual guide, it's also possible, but you pay 15 zloty for that. I prefer to discover it by myself. So yeah, now I think that we almost discover all. But next, let's go to the garden. This one. Let's find this one. Right, so this one is the ground floor. Let's go over there. Oh. Nothing here, only this one corridor. So this one is the entrance to the portico here. Go ahead. Okay. Let's see. Right. So basically this one, let's see. So this one, the main entrance to the residence, the throne room and castle. So okay, I just feel impressed with the ceiling decoration, and that's in the front is the movie, I think, to explain about what is actually this museum. Right, so that's actually the Zamek, and I think that's the garden that we were there before. And in front of me, this one is the fountain. Unfortunately, they don't have a water. So yeah, this is actually what's the Zamek look like. Just like this. And this is the garden. Let's go to the garden. Wow, this one looks like Damian PCX in Bali. Okay, let's go to the garden. Once I take you here to showing you the garden, now you know where I am. So that's the church in the corner, that university building in the front. That's another park over there. Visit to Zamek so far. Zamek Królewski went in the Stary Rynek, and this one in the city center. So this one Zamek Cisarki. So what I can say then, no wonder then the ticket price is only 7 zloty, and inside only just building the room and not much the things, important things to display. So which one do I prefer? Of course, the previous one in Zamek Królewski. So I think that's all my video today. Just another day in Poznan, Poland. A day of exploring, a day of enjoying my life in Poznan, Poland. So yeah, I think that's all. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. So we stopped actually at the bus station. It's very fancy. It's 4 degrees right now. You see, it's just like snowing cold. And it's very fancy. There is a charging point, and also there is a free Wi-Fi zone. Let's say if your Wi-Fi, if you run out of quota. And this one is the information about the bus. And then in front of me is the Adam Mickiewicz Park. And yeah, let's go home.